Hey guys, welcome back. And today I wanted to cover something that you've probably already seen in your Instagram feed. You're just scrolling through your feed and all of a sudden an image will appear and you'll see three little dots and you scroll over and it pans over seamlessly. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that effect today with a little bit of Lightroom and a little bit of Photoshop, so stay tuned. Okay, so I know you guys are probably wondering why you would want to use this feature, and the main reason that I like to use this feature is because my landscape images show up so small in the feed normally, and vertical images are more engaging because they're much larger and easier to view. So by making this pano scrolling image, we're able to make our landscape images much larger and more engaging. So let's jump right in. We're going to talk about Instagram here. So Instagram displays your 4:5 ratio image at 1080 by 1350. So you're going to want to export your image at a good size for Instagram. So we're going to go ahead and jump into Lightroom. We are going to head over to the crop tool. We're going to click that, make sure our image is unlocked. We're going to enter custom. And this is where we have to do a little bit of math to enter our ratio, because we're going to be making a 2-image pano. We're going to be doubling our 1080, so that equals 2160. So we're going to start here by putting in the 1350. That does not change. And then we're going to put the 2160 in here and hit OK. And this is going to show us how we need to kind of crop our image to make this work. So I'm going to, I think I like it where it is. I'm going to hit done. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this image into Photoshop. All right, so now that we have our image open in Photoshop, we are going to unlock this background layer. Then we are going to go up to View. And then we're going to go down to New Guide Layout. Okay, this is going to pop up, and this is where you can adjust the number of columns that you need to have. And we're not going to touch the rows or anything. We're going to leave all of this exactly the same. We're only going to adjust this number because we're making 2 images. We're going to select 2. I already have it in there. So now I'm going to press OK. And it's given me these lines here. So now we're going to use the slice tool, and that is under the crop tool. I'm going to hit C for that. Once we have our crop tool, we're going to go up here to this button called Slices from Guides. We're going to hit that. It's automatically going to make 2 slices where the guides were. Then we're going to go up to here. We're going to hit File, Export, Save for Web. We're going to make this fit in view so we can see what's happening. Then we're going to go up here. We're going to make sure we set this to JPEG, which it is. Then we're going to go down to the sizes right here, and we're going to make sure that these are the same sizes we exported our image as, so 2160 and 1350 right here. Also make sure that your color is convert to sRGB. Okay, so now we're going to save these. Okay, so we're going to name it whatever we want. This is the name that I'm going to use. It's just the name of the waterfall itself. You want to go down to here, images only, default settings, all slices, good to go. Hit save. That should have saved to a folder on our desktop called images. And here they are. Now that you have your images exported, you can go ahead and airdrop these to yourself or email them to yourself or just send them to yourself. And you can head over to Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, you just want to make sure that you're posting the images in the right order before you hit post, so that when you have that scroll, it's nice and seamless. Hey guys, let me know what you think of this video in the comments section, and please like and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. Also, you can hit the little bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know.